Hi, everybody. This is David O'Dea with O'Dea Schneider PLLC. Wrongful use of drugs under Article 112 Alpha of the Uniform Code of Military Justice is a serious offense for service members. It covers using controlled substances like cocaine, heroin, methamphetamine, LSD, marijuana, and other drugs listed in Schedules 1 through 5 under federal law. As a military defense attorney, it's my role to ensure the government proves every element of the charge beyond a reasonable doubt, and the rights of service members are fully protected. To convict someone of wrongful use, the government must prove the accused used a controlled substance, that they knew they used it, and they knew it was illegal or contraband, and that the use was wrongful, meaning that it was without legal justification or authorization. Now, innocent or unknowing use is not a crime if a drug is slipped into a drink, food, or cigarette without one's knowledge. If one reasonably believes the ingested was legal, that is considered innocent ingestion in some cases under military law. Similarly, using a medication with a valid prescription or part of a legitimate medical or law enforcement duty is not wrongful use. The Military Judge's Bench Book, which is the book that guides how military judges act and behave in cases, also highlights that urinalysis evidence must be properly collected, handled, and tested to be reliable. Positive results alone do not guarantee guilt, and mistakes in the process can cause serious doubt on the government's case. Now, aggravating factors like using drugs on duty as a sentinel aboard a military vessel or aircraft at a missile launch facility during times of war or while receiving special pay can increase the maximum punishment. But just like the base offense, these factors must be proven beyond a reasonable doubt. Now, the takeaway is clear. Article 112 Alpha cases can be serious for service members, but the law can also provide strong protection for service members. Innocent ingestion, procedural errors, and the government's high burden of proof all matters. But even one incident of wrongful use can be career ending and carry criminal consequences. And of course, no one should be convicted unless the government meets its burden of proof beyond a reasonable doubt. As always, no video can be ever legal advice. And if you have a situation that requires you actually need legal advice, you should talk to a qualified attorney. Thank you.